Ayan guys, magsabaw tayo ng baka. Ito yung linaga natin baka guys. Ayan guys, lagyan na natin ng gulay at saka may bato. Pichay at bato. So ayan guys, lagyan natin ng celery at saka onion spring. Celery, saka onion spring. Ayan guys. Sarap. Ito na guys. So guys, ayun na.